I wanted to show you a little trick I come up with for getting in tight spots for any of you guys who are just starting out or haven't come across this problem. But working in here, you get your knuckles busted either trying to push the chisel through or even drive it with a mallet, hitting other things and whatnot. So I took another number 11 gouge, one of my favorites, and I made this wicked long handle. Makes it very nice for getting into tight spots. A little brass doorknob on the end of it for a palm push thing, and it works really good. Now you can have one gouge, and suppose, and make different size handles for it. I was lucky and I had an extra chisel blade, so I've kind of committed it to this one, this handle. I made it when I was doing fly rod crossfit. This wicked job. I was having problems registering, they call it, where the belly of the beast is. It was turning on me and I was catching the corner into the grain, which I don't like. So I ended up darkening one of the facets of my handle, which coincides with the belly of the gouge. Keeps me straight. But anyway, you get the idea.